Email is one of the oldest digital tools we still use every day. And yet, it remains one of the most mentally demanding. Not because typing is hard, but because email requires judgment, tone, context, timing, intent. What's changing now isn't that AI can write emails. It's that AI is beginning to understand the role an email plays within a conversation, within a relationship, and within a workflow. That shift is subtle, but it's significant. Early email automation was rigid. Templates, rules, if this then that logic. The output was fast, but brittle. Modern AI email tools work differently. They don't start with words, they start with context. Who you're writing to, what's already been said, what outcome you're aiming for. This change from syntax to intent is what makes current tools feel more natural. The first category is AI that writes draft emails for you. But the interesting part isn't the writing, it's how the draft is assembled. Instead of a blank prompt, these systems look at previous messages, calendar context, shared documents, thread history. Example, you receive a message asking for a status update. The AI scans the thread, understands what's already been promised, and produces a reply that continues the conversation rather than restarting it. The output isn't perfect, but it's directionally correct, which is often all you need. The second category focuses on tone, not what you say, but how it lands. These tools take a draft you've already written and reshape it. More formal, more direct, more empathetic, more concise. What's changed is the system's sensitivity. Instead of replacing your message, the AI nudges it. This matters because most email mistakes aren't factual, they're tonal. A sentence that sounds efficient to you might sound abrupt to someone else. AI is becoming a second reader, not an author. The third category is less visible, but often more valuable. AI that helps decide what deserves your attention. These tools summarize long threads, highlight requests or deadlines, surface messages that need a reply. The key change here is prioritization. Instead of sorting by time, AI sorts by intent. A message sent yesterday might matter more than one sent an hour ago. This shifts email from a reactive system to a managed one. And that change affects how people work, not just how they write. Some email tools now do something more subtle. They learn, not in a general sense, but in a personal one. Over time, they observe how long your emails usually are, how formal you tend to be, how you open and close messages. The result isn't mimicry, it's alignment. The AI doesn't replace your voice, it approximates your defaults. This reduces the mental load of everyday communication, not because the AI is smarter, but because it's more consistent. Email is invisible labor. It rarely shows up in job descriptions, but it consumes attention. By offloading drafting, editing, and prioritization, AI changes how that labor feels. Not faster, but later. For creators, this means fewer interruptions. For teams, fewer misunderstandings. For individuals, less cognitive residue. These tools don't eliminate work, they reduce friction. Email is a useful lens for understanding modern AI, because the goal isn't brilliance, it's reliability. The best email AI tools don't impress you, they quietly do what you would have done on a good day with more energy. This suggests a broader pattern. AI is moving away from spectacle and toward assistance embedded in workflows. When AI writes emails, it's not really writing, it's organizing intent. The value isn't in the words, it's in the alignment between people. As these systems improve, email doesn't disappear, it becomes lighter. Less about composing, more about deciding. This is Neural Pulse Lab. Thanks for watching.